Welcome to Planter Garden TV. How you guys doing? Well guys, this is a magical juice. This juice is 100% organic. The ingredients are amazing, and I've been working on this project for a while now. And by doing my own experiment, I have experimented something, guys. This super juice has created history. This super juice have created history, and it will be going on sale pretty soon. Now, let me show you the result from this super juice. All right, these are some peppers. All these peppers, I plant them the same time. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These 7 peppers, what I did, I only add my super juice. I only add my super juice to this pepper, this one, and this one. I did not add my super juice to this one, this one, this one, and this one, and this one. I did not add the super juice. I only add to this one and this one over there. So now guys, I'm gonna show you the result. The result are in. Now, look what's going on here. The only 2 pepper that I add the super juice around is the only 2 pepper that have look at this, guys. Look at this. Is the only 2 pepper that have 2 huge pepper and small ones. These only have small ones with black flowers, but they don't have no pepper. So the only 2 that I put the super juice, the organic super juice by, have big pepper. So let me show you the other one. This is the other one right here. You see? So the only 2 pepper that have on pepper is the only 2 that I put the super juice around. Guys, this is a fantastic juice. Organic, 100%. The ingredients are wonderful. This, let me explain something to you. With this super juice, what it do, this super juice cause the plant to produce even faster than it's supposed, than if you did not put no juice around it. It causes the plant to produce even faster. So it's a booster as well. It gives the plant that energy to start producing fruits very early. Look at these. They still have flowers. Look at these too. Look at this. Huge pepper already. So the results are in. Planter Super Juice will be available pretty soon. If you're interested in the super juice, please email me. All right? Planter Super Juice pretty soon. Thank you guys.